Since my last video, I've had so many people ask me how they could get Windows 11 running on their machines, and the support and the comments and the likes have all been crazy. So before we get into today's video where I'm going to be showing you how you can get Windows 11, the insider preview running on your computers, I just want to say thank you all for the support and make sure you subscribe if you do find this video helpful. And yes, I could have made a tutorial on this pretty early on as soon as that video went live, but I thought I'd wait it out for the insider preview because I didn't want to make a tutorial using the leaked version of Windows 11. I thought with the insider preview, it would benefit people further. So in this video, we're gonna do exactly that. For those wondering if you need any sort of TPM or secure boot support on your PCs or computers or laptops, you don't need any of that, and I don't think the processor limitation is also a factor when using this method, so you could pretty much install this on whatever you'd like. The first thing I did was to go to CryptoFire's website, which is linked down in the description, and this gives you the option to download the ISO file of both the leaked Windows 11 as well as the insider preview version of Windows 11. And you'd want to download the insider preview version, which takes a bit of time, but despite the website saying that the download's going to be seamless after that and it's going to run pretty much well on any sort of hardware, I did encounter problems. I faced a message where it said that you couldn't install Windows 11 on your laptop, and that got me thinking, and I came up with a different method. So what I did is a bit technical. I went on over to the Microsoft Insider Preview homepage where I downloaded the Windows 10 ISO file as well. Then I extracted both the Windows 10 as well as the Windows 11 ISO files and basically switched the Windows 10 software, the main file that it installs, with the Windows 11 version, and that essentially made it a Windows 10 installation tool, but with Windows 11 inside. And to save all the effort of, downloading all of that, making sure everything's correct, I have the ISO file that you need to download Windows 11 Insider Preview linked down in the description. All you need to do is download that file and you're pretty much halfway there. I've also downgraded my laptop back to Windows 10 so I can try out the process for myself, but do keep in mind, try this at your own risk. I don't want any of you guys to be losing any of your information or photos, any sort of data that you might have on your computer. There is a chance that you might lose it, so I would suggest you back it up before you try it, or if it's very crucial or important to you, don't even try this method. I tried it on my laptop because I didn't have anything to lose. It was pretty much a fresh install, and to be honest, you don't even need to factory reset when you go from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So if everything goes fine and you follow the process, you will be on Windows 11 with your data intact, but if it goes wrong in that slight chance, I don't want you guys to suffer, so just keep that in mind. Okay, that being said, the installation process from here is pretty much very easy. You've got to mount the downloaded ISO by right-clicking it and then go ahead and double-click Setup. You'll notice that the setup window here says that you're downloading Windows 10, but don't worry about that. The back end is Windows 11. This is just a modified ISO to bypass all the requirements of Windows 11. I also skipped the parts where the laptop goes to check for any updates online because you sort of end up saving some time and you don't really need it. And if all goes well, you should be greeted with a screen saying Windows 11 is ready to be installed on your computer. Click install and then wait patiently, and I'm talking 2 to 3 to 4 hours even for this thing to be on the laptop that I tested. I'm not going to show you every second of the install because that's just boring, but here are small snippets of the progress, and just give your computer as much time as you can. Go watch a movie or something, and don't be scared if it restarts throughout the process. This is normal. I almost lost hope sort of 75% of the way there because I thought I'd messed up because the computer was stuck on the loading screen for like 25 minutes. But after that was done, it did respond and it booted me up to Windows 11. Absolute first impressions without any of my files being here, unlike the last time where this computer was loaded, things are decently quick. It's still not usable in my opinion, and things like the widgets tray do have some bugs, but once again, this is an insider preview at the end of the day, so you will face those problems on top of whatever hardware limitations that you might have on your computer. But there are some nice things. So the elements in the UI do see updates, and just to confirm, this is the insider preview on a 2nd gen Intel Core machine from almost 10 years ago, which means Windows 11 is possible on practically any device. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, a like and a subscription to the channel would be very, very much appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. This was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.